What are manual carts costing you? Overexertion from lifting, pushing, or pulling an object costs employers in the United States over $13 billion each year in both direct and indirect costs. When workers use manual carts and dollies to haul a load, the strain on their wrists, elbows, knees, and back adds up, causing immediate strains and sprains or even debilitating injuries over time like carpal tunnel and chronic lower back pain. Between workers' compensation, medical costs, work stoppage, and employee turnover, the bill for a single one of these injuries can reach upwards of $50,000. Motorized ergonomic equipment works by eliminating the push-pull forces that cause injuries, improving employee morale and operational efficiency in the process. The right material transport solution will also generate a return on your investment by lowering employee healthcare costs and insurance premiums. At Electro Kinetic Technologies, we have helped hundreds of customers find ergonomic solutions for their material handling problems. Whether it is a simple application of one of our standard products or a more complex situation requiring a custom solution, we can help. For more information on how to increase efficiency and workplace safely in your facility, visit our website at www.ek-tech.com.